Hello, my friends. So some people feel worried about making art. They worry that their art might be ugly. But what they may not know is that people are very rarely perfect when trying something new. Starting something, following it through to the end, and not giving up is the only way to get better. This week, I want to take some of the pressure off. Instead of trying to make beautiful art, we are going to make the ugliest art we can. For my art this week, I'm going to draw a face, because that's what I normally draw. But instead of doing a round face, I'm going to do a big blobby face. Make a little eye and a big eye. I'm going to give my picture a big nose. Maybe some eyebrows. A big mouth with scary teeth. I think I'm going to give a little bit of head hair and a little bit of chin hair. And then I think I'm going to do some ears and maybe a tiny little body. Alright, so this is my ugly picture of the week. You might notice not everything is ugly about it. It's not how I normally draw. And honestly, it was kind of fun. So this week I want you to choose some kind of picture to just draw, make it ugly, and have fun. Because that's really what art is all about. It's about expressing yourself and it's about fun. Happy creating!